All right, what I'd like to introduce to you all is what we call the towel roll exercise. Most people, when they have an upper neck injury and the atlas locks under the skull, the first thing that happens to the spine is the anterior muscles of the neck, which are the scalene muscles, tend to go into spasm. And if you look at the human spine from the side, there should be a backward C-shaped curve in the neck. When you have an atlas misalignment, 80% of people, the way their body adapts to that, those muscles go into spasm and the neck gets pulled straight. And this is why 80% of the people who come into an upper cervical office will talk about how their upper shoulders are tight. They get a lot of upper neck tension and upper back tension, I meant. And one of the reasons for that is when the atlas is locked and you lose the curve, the head's protruded forward, and every 3/8 of an inch, the head moves forward off of the shoulder axis. You actually increase the weight of the head effectively double on those upper back muscles. And basically what they're doing is they're going into spasm because the head's forward and they're trying to keep your head upright against gravity, and that's one of the adaptations that take place. So after you get under upper cervical care, it's a good idea to do what we call the towel roll exercise, say 7 minutes a day, especially mid-afternoon. And basically what this entails is you get yourself a beach towel or shower towel, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. And then what you will do is you will roll it up into a cylinder, like about yay big, that big. And then what you'll do is you'll put that cylinder underneath your neck like this, and you will actually lie on your back, right? So you're on your rug, the cylinder is under your neck. And so imagine you're on your back, that cylinder is under your neck, and you're just relaxing there. Now here's a couple of important points. You want the towel roll big enough so that when it's under your neck and you're lying on your back, that your head is just barely off of the floor. And what this does, if the head is not touching the floor, it just adds a little bit of gentle distraction into the spine. And this does a couple of things. Number one, as you go through the day, just from gravity pulling down on you, stress of work and so forth, that atlas has a tendency to want to shift back out towards its bad position. So the muscles may lock down a little bit, the vertebra may be partially misaligned, and by laying on that towel, that gentle distraction can help the body pull the vertebra back in position. So number one, we found it helpful in maintaining the correction, and number two, we find that if you're in alignment, it will help the normal curve come back into the neck. So try and make the towel roll exercise part of your daily regimen. If you do that along with the chin neck exercises that we gave in the prior video, you may find that your adjustments hold longer and you move more in the direction of where you want to go, and that's health. So thanks for listening.